To create a new monthly report, there are two parts to do. The first part involves creating time reports in Jira. The second part involves data manipulation in Excel. Let's look at the first part in generating the time report. Okay, log in to Jira as yourself. Click on Jira time report. We should bring a time report as seen here. Make sure you select timesheet and the filter or project is with any support desk. Make sure all users are selected. The start date from which the report to start, end date to be the last date. Well, for me, I'm going to generate a report between April 1st and April 30th. For example, if you would like to if you would like to generate a report for 2 months, make sure the start date is April, and go back to end date, select May 31st. That should give you a 2 months report. But the next one to make sure is it's been grouped by issue type, and the additional fields to include on the report is say new system and summary. Make sure you have subtasks selected as well. Once you come here, you should see the fields or the options set for Jira report as such. When you click on view report, it should show the report as such, and you can see here for change, spent 3.7 hours, and for 3.5 for incidents, and 143 for service request, and there should be some for tasks as well. Once you have the report generated, you can go ahead and download the Excel version of what you see there in here. Once you have the Excel sheet, open it. Here is the Excel sheet. Now, to simplify the view, we would like to club key and title into a new field. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a new column there. Let me call it as key title, and what I'll do is equal to select this key. I'll give a separator so that basically clubs these two into one column. Now once you have that, copy that formula to every other rows in there, and once you have that, let's go ahead and create the next part of report. Create a new sheet and go into insert pivot table. Select the table range from the previous one. Make sure you select from A1 and go till the last column of the last row. In my case, it's that. Press enter. It should give the table range and say, okay, go ahead and insert into an Excel sheet here. Click on the field list. It should bring you the pivot table builder. Make sure the following columns are selected. First select is the ANU system. I'll write into row, and next is the type, and that's the issue type to report. Say the type, and then I'll drag in the title. Now also we would like to see how many hours are spent on that. For that, drag the sum of reports here. Okay, that should bring you the pivot table with data on it. Now you don't really need to see the blank one there, which is nothing but a task. So what I'll do is I'll remove that and hit OK. So that brings you the pivot table for with each issue type, with the system, and number of hours spent on each of them. This can be inserted into the PowerPoint which is sent to ANU.